Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is a bit difficult to interpret at the moment. We've got two scenarios which are both actually fairly likely. I've made, obviously in the previous video, the direct breakout here, the primary. This is really just a shorter time frame. Overall, the trend for me is up as long as we're holding 35.2 cents. So if we break out directly here or make another leg down and then move up is really just the noise within this scenario. There's two, you could say, sub scenarios of the next higher degree scenario, which would assume we are in a third wave. So what I just wanted to talk about in this video, because we covered the other scenarios in the previous one, really just a short-term price action. So we have here the situation that in the primary scenario, wave 2, so we had a wave 1 to the upside, which topped here on at around 41 cents on the 31st of March, came down then in a corrective pattern, bottomed here in a wave 2, and we could now be in a third wave. At the moment, primary, yeah. However, this fourth wave is really on thin ice. It has pulled back actually too deep for a reliable wave 4. I still count it as wave 4 at the moment, but if we break below here 39.4 cents, then we break below the wave 1 high, and it would wave 4 would cut into wave 1 price action. That would invalidate this impulse, and it would indicate to me that the yellow count will get into control. So they're both likely, they both have a decent probability, and we're basically nearly sitting in between both scenarios because, I mean, had the wave 4 not pulled back that much, it's fine. You know, normally you don't want the wave 4 to pull back more than the 50% retracement. Now, this is at 40 cents. So we've reclaimed that, but we dropped a little bit lower. So it's acceptable. That's why I still count it as a fourth wave. But note that if we drop below 39.4, in my opinion, probabilities shift again that we're in the Y wave. It's tricky at the moment, and it really needs that last wave up here in the larger third wave to confirm that we're in the white wave count, at least with a good likelihood. You can see that off this low, which was made on the 7th of April, we only have 3 waves up. So at the moment, a clearly corrective structure. But if we get a fourth wave, a third wave here complete, the larger third, the fourth and the fifth, we have basically an impulse. That again could form this third wave eventually. And then overall we can cascade higher, yeah? So the idea is in the direct breakout scenario to have something like this: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, then there should be a 4 and a 5, and you have 5 waves up. That's sort of the pattern we want to see in the trend direction. We want to see 5 waves to the upside, not 3. And of course you have that particular situation on all sorts of time frames, yeah? But yeah, it's sort of the 40 cent level. Ideally, we're not dropping below that and sustain there. Now below that level, we've got that 39.4 cent level. At the latest below that, I would take at least the white sub-wave structure count of the chart. It's not ruled out then, but again, that is the point again where the yellow count will gain control. So this is exactly where, Elliott wave allows you here to understand where the bulls and the bears are fighting, the key levels they are fighting for, and at which point the bulls or the bears get more strong or get stronger. And that's also then the point where probabilities will shift. Not much more to add really. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.